It's always been confusing for us to choose cleansers, right?
Yeah, before I joined Mary Kay, I always go to those beauty shops, right? Like any shopping mall, right? So I will ask them when I wanted to get a cleanser, because I like to visit those stores. Then I will ask them, hey, what type of cleansers is suitable for myself, and they will try to like tell me what's the skin concern and skin type, because I do not know all these things. Because for me, cleansers just clean my face. And
likewise for myself as well, you know, in the past I actually look for cleansers based on like the magazines, you know, when I flip magazines and see that, hey, this is really popular, and I just go ahead and try, and the description on the magazine looks like it is suitable for me, you know, not knowing whether it's really suitable for me. So myself, I have sensitive skin and kind of dry, so in fact I cannot use cleansers that are stripping my skin moisture barrier, and also there is actually this oil barrier on our skin that protects our skin and also keep the moisture in our skin, so that we don't get sensitive and itchy and easily irritated. And I also don't like the tight feeling, and ever since I chose a good cleanser, right, starting to use a cleanser, my skin don't feel tight after cleansing.
Yeah, last time in the past I did not know that very tight after cleansing is wrong. Okay, because I thought the most tight, the most better, because you will feel like your skin is really very clean after cleaning. Yeah, so I always find those very good one got siap face like that, like no polishing, right? Then if those cleanser is not good, right, I'll just dump it away after purchase at 1 time or 2 times. Yeah.
You know, nowadays with our technology, right, in manufacturing, our cleansers also have benefits in the cleansing step. So it's not just to clean your face, to deep pore cleanse, but it's also to deliver benefits as you cleanse your face. So we do have, like, you know, different people's skin concern. There are people with sensitive skin, there are people who are like concerns with like aging, you know, or maybe starting to sag, you know, want more firming face, or maybe brightening, right, as you go along. So actually cleansing is very important, first most important step for your whole entire skincare regimen. So if you do cleansing right, it's going to help your absorption for your serums and masks later. We're going to talk about the different cleansers that we have over here in Mary Kay collection, right? We actually have 6, and one of that is very straightforward, which is the Clear Proof. If you have pimple face, like, you know, very oily face, we would highly recommend you to give that Clear Proof cleanser a try, because that is for oily skin and acne prone skin. But if you have T-zone oily and occasional acne, then you can choose other cleansers in our collection. So Xiao, which one is suitable for sensitive skin?
All of our cleansers is suitable for sensitive skin.
Yeah, because it's all written here, right? But which one is really good for, like, maybe she's very afraid of using, and then she wants to start something with the mildest.
You can try our Naturally cleanser, because this is it's really very natural ingredients, such as it's free from paraben, and those are fragrance free,
synthetic dye.
Synthetic, yes.
Pellets.
It is really very mild and gentle, and the smell of it is really very nice also.
Like
it
a spa.
I think it is almond. Yeah, there's almond smell, and also cornflower. And this is one of my favorite cleanser.
Yeah, I love this cleanser, and the fact that it's 99.49% natural, right? You are almost guaranteed that you kind of make this cleanser yourself, you know, but it's made by our high quality manufacturing labs in Dallas, Texas, right? All our products are made in US. So you can try this, right? The next one, actually, also we recommend that to our customers, which is the
Botanical Effects. Not sure you can see.
Yeah.
This is one of the cleanser that I started off using it from Mary Kay, and this is the F1 cleanser, which I'm using it currently also. This is suitable for dry skin also.
So we actually have 2 formulas for this Botanical Effects cleanser. F1 is for dry skin, and F2 is for normal skin. Yeah. So if you have dry skin, you use F1. If you have normal skin, you F2. So this is the one that is really mild as well. It's made of botanical ingredients.
Yes.
So next, we can talk about if, let's say, you have skin that is dull, it's looking dull, right, and like uneven skin tone, and maybe you went for like suntan yesterday, you know, and you wanted to kind of like salvage your skin, right? So I would suggest that you go for Lumi V. So this is actually one of our best-selling cleanser, which is Lumi V. It is with the name itself, it's like luminous skin, and it's good for any skin type, all skin type, and also formulated and tested on Asian skin, right? This is for brightening and also lighten, reduce pigmentation, and not only that, it is very nice if you like foam. This has a lot of foam.
Yes.
You use it?
Yes.
Is this one of your favorite?
All of the cleanser, I love it. I do have everything.
And some people are just used to foam, right? So you can go ahead and try this. You can also put a little bit with your bath sponge and like wash your body as well. Like this is what I do. So that's the Lumidi cleanser for brightening skin, for dull and even skin tone. The next tool is the anti-aging. Right? So if let's say you find that your skin needs a little bit of brightening but you want anti-aging, which is to basically help you to fight free radicals and then with antioxidants, right? Which cleanser is that?
So there's two types of cleanser. One is the normal to dry skin. The other one is a combi to oily skin. So for myself, right, I'm using this, the pink color one, which is the normal to dry skin. Okay, so there's two different types. For normal to dry skin, right, it is a bit of milky color. Okay, the other one is clear ones with beads. There's a little bit of micro beads inside.
Yeah, so this is actually 4-in-1, right? What does it do? Cleanse, tone.
Also do a exfoliation because there's a micro scrub inside.
Beads, yeah. But the beads are very gentle, so don't worry, it's vitamin beads. And then the last thing is brighten. It does brighten your skin also because there is vitamin B3. So if you guys knows about vitamin B3, it's a brightening ingredient. And also packed with antioxidants. Yeah, and also there is resveratrol. Right? It is super high in antioxidants also.
Yeah, it helps you to look brighter for your skin tone.
And this one is like a lot of people's favorite.
Yeah,
right?
this is one of our favorite also. Bestseller.
Bestseller, yeah. So if let's say you are also looking for anti-aging, but then now you are towards the more advanced, which is like, okay, I want to really firm my face, I want more advanced ingredients, you know, higher quality ingredients, right? So which one shall we go for?
The Thermas Repair. This is good for the lifting effects. So for those who are looking for those to look younger, right, you can try this. And it has the plant stem cells. Okay, I also have the peptides inside.
Yeah, so plant stem cells will replace your aging cells, and peptides will actually repair wrinkles. Okay, right, so these are all the cleansers that we have. I hope you guys now know how to choose the right cleansers.
So if you guys still not sure, you can just let us know.
Yeah, so just contact your beauty consultant. Okay, so you do not have a beauty consultant, you can look for us, and we will be very happy to help you to do a recommendation, right? So cleansing is really important, and it is the first and most important step of your skincare routine. If you do not cleanse your face well, then your pores are not clean, and when your pores are not clean, it's clogged and it's not able to absorb any serum that you apply, and your face will not improve. Okay,
you have more issues.
Yeah. Oh, also another question, Xiao, generally how many months do we use up a cleanser?
Mine about 3 to 4 months.
Yeah, around there. Right, 3 to 4 months, and the grammage is really high. It's like 100 over gram, right? And it lasts for a long time. So if you can use, you can even share it with your family members. Alright, so that's all for our cleansers. If you do have like other questions, you know, feel free to drop it in the comments, and we will love to answer all your questions. And also, if you have certain skin concern and you'd like to know if this cleanser is suitable for you, or you would like to request for a sample, comment in the comment box. Alright, so this is Qiao and Michelle, and we'll see you the next one.